Hey everyone. In today's video, I've got a quick and useful tip for you on how to do 2x speed on TikTok videos on your For You page. Let's jump right into it. Alright. First step is to open TikTok on your mobile device. So here I am on my For You page. And I've come across a TikTok that I want to speed up. The process is super simple. Just follow along. Now, take a look at the screen. As you can see, the TikTok is playing at its normal speed. If you want to speed it up, all you have to do is tap and hold on the left side of the screen. Watch closely. Boom. Did you see that? By holding down on the left side of the screen, I've just doubled the speed of the TikTok. It's now playing at 2x speed. You can also do the by tap and hold on the right side of the screen. Now, the cool thing is, if I release my finger, it goes back to the regular speed. Let me show you again. Hold down, and it's 2x speed. Release, and it's back to normal. You can also set your playback speed. Just hold the screen. And menu will appear. Scroll down to the right. And you will see playback speed option. Click on it. Now, here you can adjust the playback speed. You can increase and decrease the playback speed. I select the 0.5x speed. Now, you can see the video speed is slow. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more handy tips. Thanks for watching.